This is a 3-meter-high stone platform. If you want to move bricks to the top, you can place a wooden plank against it as a ramp and push a wheelbarrow up. But if the platform is stacked 10 levels high, building such a long ramp becomes very inconvenient. So, being clever, you install a pulley on a beam at the top, run a rope through it, tie a basket of bricks to one end, and pull the other end yourself. In no time, the bricks reach the top. However, pulling the rope is tiring and risky, and each basket can carry only a small load. It would take forever to move a full cart of bricks, so you install a powerful electric motor at the top, build a strong steel cabin below, and connect them with thick steel cables. When the motor starts, it winds up the cables and lifts the cabin smoothly upward. But now the motor must lift both the cabin and all the bricks, which requires a lot of power and causes extra wear on the motor. So, being clever again, you attach a set of heavy iron counterweights to the other end of the cables. As the cabin goes up, the counterweights go down. Like the two sides of a balance scale, the motor only needs to overcome the weight difference, saving energy and greatly extending the motor's life. Then you notice that the cabin sways in the air, especially when the wind blows. To solve this, you install 4 straight steel guide rails along one side of the structure. You also add roller guides to the top and bottom of the cabin. From then on, the cabin moves steadily without swinging. But what if the cable breaks? So you add a safety system underneath the cabin. Its core is a pair of safety brakes that normally stay a few millimeters away from the guide rails. At the top of the cabin, you install a centrifugal speed governor connected to the brakes by a separate steel rope. If the cabin ever falls too fast, the governor spins rapidly. The centrifugal force causes it to lock instantly, pulling the linkage connected to the safety brakes. The brake wedges clamp tightly onto the guide rails, gripping harder and harder until the cabin comes to a complete stop. The entire process takes less than half a second. Congratulations, you have just invented the modern elevator. It is humanity's way of conquering vertical distance, turning a 100-meter climb into the press of a button. It allows elderly people, children, and heavy cargo to move effortlessly between floors.